This is stock number B50396A. It's a 2010 Toyota Tundra. It is a 5.7 liter engine V8. Has upgraded fog lamps in the front with daytime running lights. The color of it is silver. Has a couple little dinks on the front bumper, nothing too big. It has upgraded 17-inch alloy rims with anti-lock brakes and off-road tires. It is a TRD package. Has upgraded running boards, turn signals on the mirrors, as well as the double mirror. The Crew Max SR5 package. Gray cloth interior. Just a little smudge there, no big stains. No scratches or anything on the sides. It does have a tonneau cover that is automated retractable. There's the bed. A couple scratches in it. Also has the upgraded tow package. Another running board. The mirrors are also heated. Has power windows and locks, power seat adjustment, power mirrors. Hands-free set on the steering wheel, as well as cruise control and Bluetooth capabilities. Center console has lots of storage. Dual climate control. Upgraded JBL AM/FM stereo with CD player. Auxiliary and USB ports. Has the upgraded JBL speakers inside as well. Go ahead and give it a start up for you. Starts up no problem. Has 15,000 miles on the odometer. Also has the rear view mirror that auto dims. And the backup camera with the parking spot. Bring up through here. Let's go take a look at the engine. There's the engine. Oh, if you have any questions, give us a call. Visit toyotabutte.com.